Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Our today's recipe is chicken keema or minced meat, and it's an excellent combination for dosa, chapati, roti, bread or even with plain rice. So without making any further delay, let's get started. The ingredients required are half a kilo of chicken keema or minced meat, 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped, 2 medium tomatoes finely chopped, 1 cup of fresh peas, around 3 green chilies, half a tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half a tablespoon of garam masala, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander seeds powder, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 cloves, 2 small size cinnamon stick, and 1 cardamom, 1 bay leaf, 1 cup of coriander leaves, around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and salt as required. Let's see the preparation. In a preheated pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated up, add all the spices, that is bay leaf, cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. Now goes in cumin seeds. Once it starts spluttering, add onions. Now goes in green chilies. Mix everything well and fry until the onions turn slightly brown in color. Now it's time to add ginger garlic paste and fry this until the raw smell goes off. Now goes in tomatoes. Fry this until the tomatoes are nicely cooked and become soft. Now add turmeric powder, coriander seeds powder, garam masala, red chili powder. Give it a good mix and add very little water so that the masalas won't get burned. Now goes in fresh peas and keema. Mix everything well like so. Now add 1.5 cups of water or as per your required consistency. 1.5 tablespoons of salt. Close the lid and cook for 15 minutes on medium flame. It's been 15 minutes now. Check for salt if necessary. And finally, garnish with coriander leaves. That's it. Our yummy chicken keema is done and ready. Enjoy it with dosa, chapati, roti or even with plain rice. I hope you like this recipe. Do try at home and let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.